Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, lived a little girl named Maya. Maya had eyes the color of the summer sky and a smile that could melt the iciest winter day. But Maya wasn't like other children. She wasn't content with playing hopscotch or chasing butterflies. Maya craved adventure, the kind that danced on the edge of possibility and whispered secrets in the rustle of leaves. One crisp autumn morning, as the leaves swirled in a fiery dance around her, Maya stumbled upon a curious sight. Tucked beneath the gnarled roots of an ancient oak tree lay a book, its cover shimmering with the colors of 1,000 suns. Curiosity tingling in her fingers, Maya opened the book. It wasn't filled with words, but with swirling constellations, each star whispering tales of faraway lands and mythical creatures. This was no ordinary book. It was a map, a portal to a world beyond the village, beyond the hills, beyond anything Maya had ever imagined. With a pounding heart and a head full of dreams, Maya traced the constellations with her fingertips, and suddenly the world around her shimmered. The oak tree grew taller, its branches scraping the clouds, and the familiar path transformed into a shimmering river of stardust. Maya took a deep breath and stepped into the unknown. The river of stardust carried her through swirling galaxies and whispered secrets of the universe. She danced with fireflies the size of planets, befriended a grumpy, moss-covered troll who lived under a rainbow, and learned the language of singing flowers. Every day was an adventure, every corner a new wonder. One day, Maya reached a land bathed in moonlight, where castles gleamed like silver tears and fairies flitted between luminous trees. There she met Luna, the queen of the moonbeams, a wizened woman with eyes that held the wisdom of a Luna, sensing Maya's kind heart and adventurous spirit, entrusted her with a special mission: to find the lost melody of the moon, a song that had vanished with the last firefly. Guided by the constellations in her Starlit book, Maya embarked on a quest. She braved whispering caves and climbed crystal mountains, following the faint echo of the lost melody. She helped a grumpy cloud find its rain, sang a lullaby to a restless volcano, and shared her stories with a lonely star. Through each act of kindness, the melody grew stronger, weaving itself into the fabric of the moonlit. Finally, Maya reached the peak of the highest mountain, where a solitary tear-shaped crystal glistened under the pale moonlight. Inside it, trapped in shimmering silence, was the lost melody. With a gentle touch, Maya released the melody, and a wave of pure magic washed over the land. The moonbeams danced, the fairies sang, and the world hummed with newfound joy. Luna, her eyes brimming with tears, thanked Maya for her bravery and kindness. But Maya knew the greatest reward was the journey itself, the friendships forged, and the lessons learned. With a heavy heart, but a spirit lighter than air, Maya stepped back into the river of stardust. Back in the village, the sun was setting, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. Maya emerged from the oak tree, forever changed by her adventure. She carried the memories of singing flowers and firefly planets in her heart, and the echo of the lost melody in her soul. Maya knew that even though her adventure was over, the spirit of 1,000 worlds still danced within her, waiting for the next chance to take flight. And so little Maya, the girl with eyes the color of the summer sky and a smile that could melt the iciest winter day, continued to live life with a twinkle in her eyes and a thirst for adventure. For she knew that even the smallest village could hold the key to the greatest journeys, and that the most magical stories are often the ones we write ourselves.